अजान का डायनासोर आ गया है, लेकिन छोटू ये तो बहुत बड़ा लग रहा मुझे हैं। चलो देखते हैं लेटर ऑन।
Okay guys, now I'm about to open my birthday present. My mom and my dad worked really hard to get this one for me. I'm not really sure what this even is because I think they worked hard because the size of it. So
Okay.
I'll try opening it now. This is big. I did not know this was going to be big. Giant box beat. Okay, I'll just lift it. Is the wrapper on?
Study table है ना?
Is the study table? Oh, that's nice. How am I supposed to open the box? Okay. That was weird. The noise. Oh. We're just gonna imagine that never happened. And the study table is this. This is not a study table. This is something else. Wait a minute. This is not a study table. Does this look like a study table to you guys? I got what I really love! Guys, this guy's mouth is huge.
Okay.
I'm really shocked. This calls for a party. Now how to open this box. I'll just try. This is heavy. This T-Rex is heavy and ginormous.
अजान ये क्या नाम है इसका? Show me.
The name is Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
But his short name I like to call is the T-Rex.
Okay.
The king of the dinosaurs. I'm supposing I should open it. It took a hard time to get the fellow. Oh, I think no. This is like there's his tail. Okay, this guy is especially the biggest toy I ever had in my life. Okay, finally got the tail, and now I'll show you something that if you do remember.
अजान आपके जितना ही है, देखो उसका भी मुंह।
Yeah. Pretend that there's a mountain here. Just pretend that. Watch. From the movie, I don't know which episode this happened in. The lion roared at the T-Rex and the T-Rex roared at the lion. So watch. Roar. And he's going bye-byes. Are you not? Oh, he's beat. This guy's hard to control. He's been okay.
Oh, finally you got it.
He's back, but he's in his stomach for the rest of his life.
Are you happy with that?
Am I happy? I am more happier than I have ever been with a toy. And his mouth is the size of mine. Okay, he wants to say something to you guys. Hi, my name. I don't have a name. I have not named him yet. I'll name him when I get a good name. Okay. Are you hungry? Yum yums. Yum yums. pterodactyl for the last bite. Can you swallow that? Done. He's full. I think. Yeah, we need to get something bigger for him to eat. Okay. Can just. Where is it? Where is it?
Oh,
There you go. Is all of them out? Wait, one of them's missing. Wait, the Tyrannosaurus stuff.
two are there.
Let's see. Oh, didn't eat him yet. You want to eat him or not? Okay, you can't eat this guy. Let's just put him right there. But from now on, the T-Rex is full. There you go. Okay, guys, I haven't figured out this big dude's name yet. So, if you want to say a name suggestion down below, I'll be happy to name one of them to Big Guy. I don't know what to call him, so I'm just going to call him Big Guy for now. And now, we are ending the video. Goodbye, everybody. Have a nice day. And if you like my video, then leave a like. Bye-bye.